Hello, in this video we are going to learn about how to move our sprite, like about the sprite's movement. So here if you see, this is our sprite, and first of all this area, this white area, it is called as stage, and you need to remember this, um, a thing about the stage. Like whenever we are placing our sprite anywhere in the stage, it is having some, its position is having some values in the form of x and y. If you'll see here, the x is 71, y is 4. What does that means? X, if you see the arrow, x is this, like a horizontal movement, either left or right. And if we are moving a sprite up and down anywhere, it is y movement. That is, the vertical movement is our y and the horizontal movement is our x. So whenever we are placing our sprite anywhere in our stage, it is having some x and y values. These are called as coordinates. So if we want that our sprite should always stay in the middle, so what will be the middle? That is x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So here our sprite is at x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. Then we'll look at which block is going to give some motion to our sprite. We'll go to the motion statement and we'll see that there is a block called move 10 steps. We'll drag it and bring it in our script area. If you remember, this is this big white space, this is our script area. Now if we want that our sprite should move any number, n number of steps, then we'll use this block. But do you think the sprite will move as of now? No, because we always start our script with an event. Like with which event? That is when green flag is clicked. Mostly we use it like with this. Now when we click on the, if you want to check your code right now, you click on the green flag and you will see that your sprite is moving, and the direction of the movement of the sprite, like in which direction the sprite is going to move, is here, in which the direction in which the sprite is facing. If we are going to change the direction, as you can see here, direction is 90. What if we do minus 90? Then see the direction of the sprite changed. Okay, so let us quickly put it back to 90 and like this. So we have learned about the move block. Then we are going to learn about the go to. Again, in the motion statements, in the motion block, you'll see we have learned about the move. Then there is a block of go to. Now what does this go to means? If we put this go to, what's written here? Go to x equals to and y equals to. If we want that the moment whenever we start our project, whenever we click on the green flag, our sprite should come at the midpoint of the stage. What will be the midpoint? X equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So we'll enter x 0 and similarly y 0. Now if you see, if you want to check this code again, so what you'll do, we click on the green flag and see what happens. See, suppose if we placed a sprite here and we click on the green flag, it will come back anywhere it is. The moment we click on the green flag, it will come to the x equals to 0 and y. That is the center point of the stage. So this was about the go to block. Now there is one more statement, that is glide. Now what is glide? We have used move, we have used go to. Now we'll use glide. Suppose we want that our sprite is in the top corner, top left corner, and instead of coming directly to the center, we want that our sprite should come slowly, or like let's say if we specify time, suppose in 2 seconds the sprite should come from here to the center of the stage. So in that case we use this glide. How we are going to use? We click drag it in our script, and now see what's written here: glide 1 seconds to x and y. There are few values. We want that the x should be 0 and y should be 0. That is our middle point. Now in 1 second, if we want, you can change the time also. If we click, or if we say, let's say 3. Now see what happens. See, the sprite is coming slowly and slowly to the center point, that is x0 and y0. So this is the main difference between the go to and the glide. So after this, if we want, let's say we have used this. I've told you about move, go to and glide. Now if we want, as of now the sprite is moving only once. So if we want that it should do this again and again, so what we'll do, we'll go to this option, and in the control, there you will see that is a repeat block. We'll drag it here, and what we'll do, we'll use this. Now repeat and 10. What is this 10? It means that whatever code, whatever block we are going to place inside this repeat, it will happen, or it will get executed 10 times. Okay, let's say we'll go to the motion and we'll use move again. We'll insert this here and we'll write what, 50. Now the sprite will move 50 steps 10 times each. You want to see how it's happening? Okay, see, then the moment we press the green flag, first the sprite will come here, and see how quickly it ran. Like, it looks like our sprite ran away, but actually it was moving 50 steps 10 times. Okay, if we want to decrease the steps, we can also write give 10, and we click on the see, as of again we are going to place a sprite anywhere, then click on the green flag. See what's happening. First it will come to x0 y0, then it move. So this is about the repeat. Now remember, this repeat 10, we can change the 10 also. Like if we want the 20 steps, we want it to get repeated 20 times. So what is this called? This is called as iteration, or it is called as looping. This is very important to understand, and it is a very important concept of programming also. We are going to see it everywhere in our code. So this was about this, and if now I want you to try this in your project also and see what happens. Thank you.